All my dear friends, welcome to Asim Nawaz channel. As you know, as September month, mid of September starts. Today is 11th September, and here is again the third spell of the yellow rainy season starts flowering from the month of July, August, and now it's to be as September, 11th of September. September flowers, new flowering buds comes out again on the yellow rain lily flowers, and I take a short video. Let's watch it now. Hey my gardening friends, you have seen a beautiful color of yellow rain lily flowers. Some are on the flowering buds, and by proper care, fertilizer, nutrients, and especially say from heavy rains, again rain lily flower blooms till end of September, and after that your bulbs will survive forever, and here you can see oh my garden friends, you will like this video. Kindly like and subscribe my channel to keep in touch next coming videos. Bye. Asim Nawaz.